Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to transfer files from a remote host, or you can say downloading files to our machine from a remote host using secure copy. Okay, let's start the lesson. Let's go to the downloads directory. So I will type cd space downloads and press enter. Now I am in the downloads directory and I will copy a file from the remote host to the downloads directory. I want to download a file from the remote host 192.168.8.54. The file name is file.zip and it's located in /home/mtorc on the remote host. So let's type the following command to download the file. Type SCP mtorc at 192.168.8.54 /home/mtorc/file.zip. In this command I specified the login username, the remote host IP, and the full path to the file.zip, which is the file I want to download from the remote host. But I still need to specify the location where the file.zip will be saved on, so I will type dot here, and the dot means that the file.zip will be saved on the current working directory, which is downloads directory. Okay, now let's explain this command again. This command will download the file.zip, which on the remote host 192.168.8.54 to my SSH1 machine, and this file will be saved in the downloads directory. Now press enter to execute the command. Type the password for user mtorc and press enter. As you see, the secure copy command is downloading the file to our machine. And now the downloading process has been finished. Now let's check the file by running the ls command. So I will type ls and press enter. As you see, the file.zip is there and we have successfully downloaded it from the remote host. And by that we have finished our lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in next lesson.